Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove volume from your Thinkorswim chart. First, you'll want to right-click directly on the chart itself. This action brings up a helpful context menu with several options. From there, simply navigate your mouse to the Studies option. Then, click on Edit Studies to open the window where you can manage all the indicators displayed on your chart. This is the crucial first step to customizing your view. Once the Edit Studies window is open, you'll see a list of all the studies currently applied to your chart on the left side. Look for volume in this list. When you find it, simply click the Remove button, which is usually represented by an X or a minus sign right next to the volume study. This action will take it off your active chart. After removing the volume study from the list, it's important to apply your changes. Look for the Apply button, typically located at the bottom right of the Edit Studies window. Clicking this will immediately update your chart. You should see the volume bars disappear. Finally, click OK to close the window and permanently save your new chart configuration. For an even quicker way to remove volume, you can right-click directly on the volume subgraph itself, if it's visible. A small context menu will appear, and you can simply select Delete Study from there. This bypasses the Edit Studies window for a one-click removal. Now you know two straightforward methods to customize your Thinkorswim chart by removing the volume indicator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.